Hello viewers, Mr.J01 here, and right behind me is a program method for Blokix wall. So I recently, actually no, not recently, but I bought 8 sets, so let's see how much. Let me go ahead and see how much. 384 Blokix on this guard wall, so we're gonna knock it over right now. Yeah. There we go. Ready? This is gonna be loud. Trisky baseball we have over here. 3, 2. All right. Thank you for sticking around. Peace.